The avocado, also known as the avocado pear, comes to us from the Persea americana tree, also known as the avocado tree. It has been long thought to have originated in south central Mexico, more specifically a little town called Puebla, Mexico. The avocado is classified as a large berry, and it has a single large seed in the middle known as a pit or a stone. It comes from the Plantae kingdom and is a part of the Lauriceae family. Avocados are a staple food item in the Mexican culture still today, whether that be in guacamole or just sliced and added to a variety of different Mexican dishes. This is beginning to transfer over to American culture as avocados are becoming more of a staple food in not only Mexican food, but also even American staples such as hamburgers. Avocados are generally priced between $1 and $2. They can be bought at grocery stores or farmers markets. Usually they are bought whole, however, they are popularly sold as pre-made guacamole as well. Avocados take about 4 to 7 days to ripen. Fully ripe avocados can keep in the refrigerator for approximately 3 to 5 days. One large avocado has about 322 calories. It has 29 grams of fat, 17 grams of carbohydrates, and 4 grams of protein. They contain 20.1 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 33% of your daily intake, 5 milligrams of vitamin B6, which is 25% of your daily intake, 58 milligrams of magnesium, which is 14% of your daily intake, and 1.1 milligram of iron, which is 6% of your daily intake. They are also very high in fiber. One avocado has 13 grams of fiber, which is 52% of your daily intake. And as we learned in class, rarely does an American reach 13 grams of fiber per day. But if one were to eat just 2 avocados, they would have their daily fiber intake. This is one of the biggest disease preventative properties of avocados because fiber is so important for metabolic health as to prevent metabolic diseases. Also, they have 81 micrograms of folate, which, as we learned, is very important to be consumed by women in childbearing age, so as to prevent birth defects later on. Also, quick fun fact, they even contain more potassium than bananas. So if you're looking for potassium, they're a great source as well. As for disease-fighting properties, avocados are very high in omega-3 fatty acids. This is one of the biggest reasons they're considered a superfood. This helps fight inflammation, which can lower blood pressure and prevent as well as regulate metabolic diseases. It also helps fight inflammation in the brain, which can actually help fight depression and anxiety, as well as other mental disorders such as ADHD in children. Studies also show that getting enough omega-3s in the first year of life can prevent autoimmune diseases, such as allergies, type 1 diabetes, and multiple sclerosis. If one develops an autoimmune disease, omega-3s can actually help regulate symptoms and fight the disease. There's also a saying that 1 avocado a day keeps the cardiologist away, and that is because the cholesterol-lowering properties of avocados. Penn State actually conducted a study showing that LDL levels were lowered by 8.3 milligrams per deciliter after only 5 weeks of eating 1 avocado per day. As for recipes, I personally enjoy just kind of adding avocado to whatever I eat. Usually I'll get kind of a base of something. Shown here, I have red lentils, which I added spinach and avocado to and just kind of mixed around and added salt. Sometimes I'll do the same to pasta or green lentils or rice or quinoa. I would also suggest avocado toast, which has actually become really popular at different restaurants, and then also different avocado salads. The first one I show is a fiesta salad with black beans and corn and tomatoes and different seasonings. The second one is a tomato, onion, avocado, I think cucumber salad, and it's just all of those things chopped up and put into a salad. And then lastly, just traditional guacamole is always really good. And that concludes my presentation on avocados.